Do you ever have a situation where you're using these pipe clamps and you over tighten these and there's some type of dirt or debris or something on the face of the clamp, and then that leaves an impression on your material? I had that on something I was working on recently. I clamped that and it left this impression from the face of the clamp on my material. So I figured, what do I gotta do to eliminate that? So what I did is I cut a block of wood the size of the face, I drilled a hole in it, put a magnet in there, and I hot glued that in there. And now I have a pad that I can stick onto the face of the clamp on each side to hopefully not leave those impressions from the metal on there. And what's nice about these being magnetic is they're not going to slide off and fall off when I'm gluing something up. So I think I'm going to make a few dozen of these for all my pipe clamps, and that should help eliminate those marks.